Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do kind of a vlog. Excuse me. It'll partially be today. I'm prepping up some food to take to a barbecue for tomorrow because it's Memorial Day weekend. And then I'll film tomorrow, like when I finalize everything, and a little bit of our pool day. So for tonight though, I need to prep up a couple things that I told them I would bring. One is a tried and true favorite of ours, and that is ham and pickle rolls. They're a great appetizer, so we're gonna have those while we're waiting to grill out. And then I'm bringing a dessert, which we're gonna do it's like a fruit pizza. So tonight I gotta bake the cookies, which is the base of the pizza. I was gonna do like a full round pizza, but because there's not gonna be a lot of us there, and I really don't want to like make this huge thing and us not eat it and then it gets soggy from the frosting that you're gonna put on it. So I'm gonna make individual cookies, and we can just make a few at a time to put out, and then anything that we don't use I can bring home without it getting yucky. So that'll be the other thing. So tonight we gotta bake the cookie base, and then I'm gonna make the frosting and then assemble the ham and pickle. So those are the few things I want to get done tonight, and then I'll check in with you tomorrow. My plan, we're going to see how I'm feeling in the morning, is to do my second 5K. So I want to do it because I want to get it done before we get to really, really hot weather. But at the same time, I've had some plantar fasciitis that keeps like flaring up in my foot. And I don't want to do anything to make it more painful. So I may KT tape it tonight and see if that alleviates some of it, and then how I'm feeling in the morning, if I'm going to go knock that out before I go to my friends. But we'll see. But anyway, enough of me blabbering. Let's get started let's get the cookies going first, then I'll do the ham and pickle rolls and then the frosting last. So let's get the cookies going. Okay, ham and pickle rolls. So ham, and then like I said, I bought whipped with cream cheese. I can't talk today. Now the biggest thing with this is that you want to make sure you dry your ham slice off, because if it has moisture and it's wet, it's going to not allow you to spread the cream cheese. Same thing with the pickles. You want to kind of dry those a little. I'm not quite sure where I got the knife out because I'm not doing, what do you call it? Oh, I'm going to need it for this. And then I always cut off the ends. You don't have to do that, but I don't know. I don't want to take a bite and get, the little stem piece. So I'm going to pull my pickles out now. Trying to use the biggest ones so they fit the length of the ham. Oh, these are little hams. Well, I tried. Target just doesn't have as wide of a selection as a normal grocery store. And I had to get other things there, so it just made sense to get everything all in one place. But we're going to make do with it. All right, I'm going to make this work with this ham, but normally I try to get the rectangular ham that, it just works better with the pickles. But we're going to make do with this. So I'm going to show you the first one, and I'm going to speed up the rest of it. So the way I usually do this is, we'll just do two at a time, might as well. Seeing how these are so little. Put them in here, pat them down so they can dry. All right, and then I'm just gonna move this back. Okay, and then best to use a butter knife instead of the sharp knife. So pickle, dry that off, try to get some of the moisture out. And then I'm just gonna roll it up. I really don't like this ham. Okay, and then let's do one more. This is probably gonna be more wasteful than I would want it to be normally. But put your toothpicks in, which I'm gonna do that now. I would say like 1/2 inch spacing. Normally, I wouldn't have such a bad gap at the end, but because I do, I'm gonna cut them off because that just doesn't make a lot of sense. But usually once you're done with your roll up, you cut them down like this, and then you lay them on a plate and people can grab them. And they taste good, but I'm gonna eat this one. All right, so saran wrap's on top, and then I'll put the lid on, just helps seal it better. And then, like I said, we'll slice them when we get there. All right, the last thing I'm making is the icing stuff for the cookies. So it's, like I said, cream cheese that's been softened, some whipped topping, vanilla extract, and a little bit of regular sugar. I'm cutting this in half, but I will link the recipe for the actual thing down below for you, in case you want to make like the whole pizza. And then you just top it with fruit, which we're just doing strawberries and blueberries to keep it, you know, festive for Memorial Day. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this. Like I said, the full recipe will be linked down below. So that's pretty much what I'm doing for tonight. I just gotta wash dishes, but I'm gonna just stop here and then I will show you everything I do tomorrow, whether I do a 5K or not. But yeah, I'll check in with you tomorrow. All right, good Saturday morning. I did not go do my 5K. I think my dinner last night was bad, so woke up with a horrendous stomachache and it's still kind of there. It hasn't gone away fully. But I've showered, put on my outfit. I think the shirt is really cute. If you know Tom Petty, you know. So I'm gonna wear this over there. I'm bringing my beach bag with my swimsuit. And I'm gonna do a separate video later of like kind of what's in my beach bag. And when I say beach bag, it could be pool bag, it could be lake bag, I don't know. So I'm getting ready to start packing the coolers up with the cold stuff I gotta take over. Probably refill my water for the 3rd time before I leave, and then I think I'm gonna grab my cold coffee to drink as well on my way over, just to try to give me some energy. It's about 10 a.m. But I'm gonna go over and hang out with my friend before anybody else gets there, if anybody else does. But like I said, I'll show you if we do anything. I really don't think it's gonna be crazy eventful, but we'll see. But I do want this just for memory's sake. And of course, Riley's going with us as excuse me, I can't even talk. Riley's going with us as well. So I'm gonna try to get everything packaged up then and load the car up, and then we'll head out.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless seas, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love, oh, it's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh, easier to love.
Okay, so I'm back home. My hair looks crazy. I have a little bit of a sunburn on my nose. Had fun. I really enjoyed my time with my friends, and I know that this is going to be a very short video. I kind of kept forgetting to vlog and was just enjoying being around people because it's not very often that I honestly get to do that. But as always, I hope you enjoyed getting to see a glimpse and maybe the recipes. And as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.